Hello students, today we will solve the negation of logical statement. Now we know that there are five types of statements in logic. A simple statement, that is P, disjunction, that is P or Q, conjunction P and Q, implication P double arrow Q, and double implication, that is P double arrow Q. First we have to make a question. So we have to find out negation of P and Q. Negation of P or Q. Negation of P and Q. So we have to find out negation of all these things. So actually now this is the question. Ki we have to find out negation of all these things. Now its solution. What rule says? Negation of simple statement is just do opposite of it. So if statement is P, then its negation is negation P. That means if not is already exist in a line, just remove it. And if there is no not, insert it. Negation P or Q. Just do negation of individual statement, and on the place of or, here you have to write and. So if here it is or, you have to write here and. If it is and, you have to write it here or. And negation of individual statement. So here on the place of or, you have to write and. On place of and, you have to write or. Now, negation of arrow or implication. Keep first part as it is. Here, place and. Negation of second part. So for if then, keep first statement as it is. On the place of then, write and, do opposite of other. P double arrow Q. It means it is from P arrow Q and Q arrow P. So a single rule, this rule we utilized it as two times. So first it is P and Q. Then it is Q and P. Join both using statement with the symbol or. So it is P arrow Q, the rule given here, P arrow Q. So it is P and negation Q. Now from Q to P, it is first part as it is and negation of other. And as and symbol is used here, we used it as or. Now this is for symbolic form. For statement in a verbal format, if there is all, you have to write some. If there is some, you have to write it all. For all, you give symbol there exists. For there exists, you have to give symbol for. Let us take some examples. Negation of verbal statements. 5 is an irrational number. It is a simple straight statement. So if the statement is single, just do its opposite. So its answer is 5 is irrational number if it consists not, remove it. If there is not, 5 is not an irrational number, is nothing but its negation. All girls are sincere. Again it is a simple statement, so write it as it is. Instead of all, we have to write here, for all we have to write here some. So some girls are not sincere. Student, make your idea very clear. If not is present in a line, just remove it. If there is not present in a line, just introduce it. Some bureaucrats are efficient. So again it is a simple statement. Write it as it is. But instead of some, now we have to write it here all. All bureaucrats are not sufficient. If India is playing World Cup and Rohit is captain, then we are sure to win. First, let us find out which symbol it is. This total is P. This is Q. So that means there are two statements connected by if then. So we have to utilize the symbol of if then. The negation of if then states that keep first part as it is and do opposite of second. So keep first part as it is right and opposite of other. We are sure to win. It is a simple statement. So let us write we are not sure to win. For all n belongs to n plus 1 is greater than 0. So again it is a simple statement, not compound one. So I write the simple statement as it is. Now, for all replaced by there exists symbol. N belongs to n. Now n plus 1 greater than 0, the opposite of it or negation of it, n plus 1 is not greater than 0. Not greater than means it is less than equal to 0. Because in mathematics there are three symbols used to compare the numbers: greater than, less than and equal to. It states that it is greater than. The thing which is not greater doesn't mean it should be small. It should be equal also. So we have to give this symbol. And the last one is Ramesh is intelligent and he is hardworking. So there are two statements connected by symbol and. So let us use the rule of negation of and. And states that just do opposite of individual on the place of and write or. So Ramesh is intelligent. It is a single statement. So Ramesh is not intelligent. On the place of and, he is hardworking. He is not hardworking. Now replace and by or. So this is nothing but the negation of verbal statement.